Hello, hello, hello. Hope everybody out there is having a splendiferous day. Today, I'm so excited. It's our July pouring challenge. Those of you who follow my channel or came from a link from one of the other videos know we do monthly challenges, the group of ladies, and we have so much fun. And I get really excited about it because I enjoy the group dynamics and just getting together with other, well, not really in person, but you know what I mean, with other people who love to pour. This month, Nikki was kind enough to send us this for our challenge. This is a quaffle cup, a quaffle something. It's a little plastic cup, and I think it's for shots, drinking, bars, something. So it has a bigger compartment on the bottom and a larger compartment on the top. And we have to use this in our pour, or as our vessel. I believe that part is optional because obviously not everybody who participates outside of our group will have these, although I will put a link in the description bar below to where you can get them yourselves. And then she posted a picture of a color scheme. So we were allowed to add white or black to that, and you would have seen that in the intro. So anyway, I'm not really sure how this is going to work or what it's going to do, so we're going to give it a try. I have 2 purples and 2 greens to go with our little color scheme, and I was kind of tempted just to use 2. I really like this purple, so I don't know. We shall see. And this is, I'm going to do my custard trick. This one is a little bit thick. I don't know if you can tell, but I really cannot fit any more water in there. Let's see. Yeah, that's really thick. It should, for cells anyway, come back together a little bit when I swipe the popsicle stick, and it is just staying put like, I call it my custard test. And there it's running a little bit, but very, very slowly. So anyway, if you're making a custard, this would mean your custard mix was ready because it's not flowing back together. For a swirl, I like that thickness, but for something like this, it's more of a flip cup. It's a little thick for me. So we'll see how it works out. Maybe just fine. I'm going to fill my quaffle. I did have to ask how that was pronounced, by the way. In my group, the message, how do we pronounce this? It's Quaffle for those of you who want to search for it or Google. So I think, let's fill this up, and then I'm going to pour some white around the edges because I have pretty deep canvas. I want to make sure my edges are covered. I'm pouring over this one. I did this one a while back, if you saw the video. I've been looking at it and sitting with it for a while, and I still don't love it, so I'm going to pour over it. So let's see. Start with a little bit of white. I would like some white negative space, I think, with this one. So let's use a decent amount of white. Let's do our purple. It's going to sink anyway since it's so thick. Maybe what I'll do is add just a hair bit. I'm going to pause the video. I'm going to add a little bit more water to this now that I made room. So maybe we'll have a couple different thicknesses of the purple. Okay. I'm going to pour just a little bit in here, and you know, if we have a lot of purple, I am good with that. I like purple, so I'm not going to be upset if purple takes over a bit. Okay, so all 4 colors, or this purple and this green, or this purple and this green, or all 4. Kind of turning this just because it's sticking to the sides a little. I'm not sure if it will affect anything or not, but might be kind of fun. Oops, I spilled over the edge. Okay, I think I'm going to add all 4. Why not? We have all this space in this quaffle to fill. Probably just a little bit of this purple. I'm not super crazy about it. It's kind of a grayish purple. This is Master's Touch purple. The other purple is Creative Expressions Dioxazine Violet. Let's do just a hair bit of white since I do want some negative space. And everything is mixed with Floetrol. I'm getting paint all over me. and all of the colors, whoa, that was a lot, other than the white, have treadmill belt silicone in them. So we'll see what we get. So just a touch more of this and a touch more of the purple, because like I said, if that purple takes over, I'm not going to be sad. Okay. Now let's do a little flippity flip. Ooh, I can hear it. Glug, 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 glug. Okay. Do some white around the edges. Okay, so I went ahead and covered the edges and the sides. So let's see. Boop. That's pretty. Let's torch. Where's my torch? I had to move everything today because we need a new roof. We had lots of hail damage, and the roofer needed to get in the attic to look, just doing estimates and stuff. And the attic access is in here, so I had to move things around so that he could get into the roof. So everything's moved around a little bit. Okay. So here we go. Let's tilt. Leave some of that white negative space. Let's go off here. Actually, like that big blob of green right in the middle. See if oh, look how pretty that is. Can you see? Probably not. Why is my flash not on? Hang on a second. Okay, there you go. Isn't that pretty? Super cool. Okay. Not crazy about this. This I love. This not so much. It's a challenge. What are we allowed to do? So I'm going to put some white in my quaffle. It's just fun to say. It makes you want waffles. Quaffle. Let's see about a white. Let's go this way. It's almost like a little ball of yarn, isn't it? It's kind of cool. Kind of taking it slow because I don't want to make my cells all wonky. But I'm so happy with that part. I want to get this part where I like it. So let's try. Hope this is fitting with the rules. I'm just going to do a quick swipe. Actually, let's do this. I know some of you out there are going, don't mess with it. I'm going right under the cells. Leave that pretty purple part. So the cell part that I love is really pretty right there. And then we have this swiped area. That's kind of interesting. Getting some cells here. Let those form. I'm not even going to torch. I was thinking about grabbing the torch, but they're forming really pretty. Kind of big ones here and tiny little ones right here. I'm not sure why that is, but I'm going to let it do its thing. And I think I'm gonna do one more thing. Please don't yell at me out there. Actually, go ahead. Yell all you want if you think I'm doing the wrong thing. Or comment. One of my favorite things. If you saw a spot where you would have stopped and you were like, don't do it, let me know. I find that really, really interesting. In fact, I'm going to stop because I thought about doing a swipe right here, kind of pull a swipe into this, but I'm looking at these edges and I really like it. So I'm done. I'm gonna leave it the way it is. I didn't do our little chocolate game. If you're new to my channel, I like to just we kind of do a chocolate game, kind of like the drinking game, only with chocolate or whatever treat makes you happy. And when I say the name of a movie or talk about a TV show or something, you get to have a piece of chocolate or, you know, whatever floats your boat. So anyway, I did not do that. So let's just, my husband watched Joe versus the Volcano the other day. He has never seen it, and I told him it's very bizarre. I'm not sure he believed me, but after he watched it, he was like, yeah, that was weird. So anyway, there, have whatever makes you happy. Isn't that cool? Showing you the inside of the quaffle cup one more time. Don't forget to look in the description for everybody else's videos and watch them and see what they did with the quaffle, because I have no idea. I don't know what everybody else is doing and how it's going to work for everybody. So enjoy and look for the link for the quaffle in the description bar also. We will see you next time, guys. Happy pouring!